welcome back to my channel. Today I have my niece.
Hi, my name is Olivia.
Aww. Why do you sound so sweet on camera? Anyways, today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. You ready? Let's get started. Alrighty, so the first step is 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, lightly packed. Did you even mix it? You're supposed to mix it until smooth.
Oh, okay then.
By the way, that's Melody, my other niece, which is Olivia's sister, and she just woke up from her nap.
Okay, that's enough, I guess.
Okay, and you're in. Alright, next is flour. So let's add that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. You think it's gonna taste good?
Yeah,
Really? Do you think a 2-minute cookie is gonna taste good or the 2 hour?
2 hour.
Have you tried a 2-minute cookie before?
No.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
An 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt. This is salt. I think this is salt. Try it.
Yeah, it is.
Lick your finger and then dip it.
No, it is.
How do you know? Say ah.
No, I'm
Just a little. I'm just gonna do a little, just so you can try it. Here, I'll do it like this, like this.
Oh.
What is it?
Salt.
It's salt. Okay. You want to do it so you can do something? Every single time Olivia asks me like, oh, can we make something or can we do some project? She just likes to watch me complete it and just finish it. And then after she's like, oh my god, that was so fun. Oh yeah, it's really smooth. Wow, good job. See what happens when you put in some more. Looks like peanut butter. Like what it looks like. 5.5 tablespoons. Chocolate chips. So we are going to dump our cookie mixture. You want to do it?
No. Okay, left.
What are we gonna do next?
We're going to microwave it.
Yeah. It's ready! It looks not bad, right? Alright, so I'm trying it. I don't know how to cut a cookie. Because you know how we don't cut cookies? It's like sponge.
It looks like a big flat cake.
Yeah, it looks more like a pizookie than an actual cookie, and it feels like more like a cake than an actual cookie. Because it's microwaved. What do you think about it, the 2-minute one?
I mean, the dough tastes like cake, but like the chocolate chips.
So we're like kind of confused. It's like spongy,
Yeah.
right? If you wanted something really quick for like 2 minutes, then like, you know, that's good, right?
Yeah.
But I think I would still prefer regular cookies.
Yeah.
Would you make it again? So we're gonna have Melody try the cookie.
Biggest.
Try. Achima? Good? Yes?
Okay.
Alrighty, on to the 2-hour one. Okay, so for the next cookie, we are having a special guest. Melody is joining us. Okay, 3 of those, okay? This is 3, right?
Yeah.
So then 1 stick of butter.
Want to do it? Yeah.
Wow.
Good job.
Good job.
How is she whisking so fast?
Next up is vanilla.
OMG.
Oh. All right. So now that
That looks really good.
4 ounces of milk or semi-sweet. We're just gonna eyeball that, okay? I love eyeballing things.
Yeah, she does. Oh, I think you have to put a lot.
Whoa!
They put a lot.
Pour it in.
Good thing because we pick every day.
Thank you. Alrighty, so now we're gonna chill this for 2 hours.
And we'll be back.
And we'll be back.
2 hours later.
So we are scooping our cookie dough.
And you can kind of squish it. And then you can kind of make it into a bar shape. Yeah, good job.
Good
So
job.
this is what Melody did.
So we finished our 2-hour cookie, so now we're gonna try it. Okay, cool. This is way better. Which one did you like better?
This one.
你喜欢吃哪个？这个还是这个？ Yeah. So we're gonna just finish eating all the cookies. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.